Hey Charlotte drivers, this is Jesse with Form and Finish, and today we've got a Lamborghini Huracan with some hood damage. A tree limb fell on it over last week, some of the storms that we had. We got it in at service, we got the hood taken off. Gonna bring this thing inside. Here's a peek of the car. One of the main benefits of paintless dent repair is we are able to preserve the factory color of your car. Anybody who's ever had a red car painted knows just how frustrating matching red can be. Paintless dent repair requires no painting and no Bondo, which means we don't have to blend any additional panels that do not have any damage, which is what body shops typically do to match the paint. We're going to preserve the factory color, the original hood, so the VIN numbers do match. This will increase the value of the vehicle when it comes time to sell or trade it in, as it's not been painted or replaced. The type of damage that we're looking at here are a bunch of creases. There are a few smaller ones around the perimeter of the larger crease there. The inverted body lines in the hood kind of make this a difficult reflection to show, which is why I'm using a line board. There is some panel damage on the back edge to the PPF film that was installed. The customer has decided to leave that on the vehicle and just remove the dent. It does make repairing a dent a little bit slower, but generally it's not a problem. Here we are a couple hours later. As you can see, the dents are removed. The damage to the film is still there, but it's not so bad. If you have anything similar to this, maybe it's not a Lamborghini, but you did have a tree fall on your car, give us a call, 704-248-1236, or you can bring it by the shop at 712 Morrow Avenue for a free estimate. We are located just a few minutes off of 485 in Pineville, Monday to Friday, 9:30 to 5:30. Thanks for watching.